everybody, it's Wendy Garofalo. I've been teaching yoga now for almost 12 years and dance before that for over 10 years. So I have a lot of experience teaching bodies how to move. And there's a lot of things that I've learned over the years that I'm so excited to share with you. And I hope that it helps create classes that are creative, that are safe and effective for all different types of people. So enjoy all their offerings that I have, and remember that they were made with a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a whole lot of love, and I truly hope that they help you continue to evolve along your path. Namaste. Sunflower Sequencing is a workshop to fine-tune your sequencing skills, to learn how to sequence using peak poses or theming your classes. It's a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy. I also dive into anatomy in several of my workshops. As you know, it's one of my favorites, including movement around the joints, different muscle groups, as well as just ways to kick ass in your teaching, which is an acronym that you'll learn when you take that course. I dive deeper into the physical, mental, energetic, emotional, and symbolic relationship that one can have with yoga and how to include those into your classes. I hope you enjoy, guys. See you soon.